BPTH stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. I'm looking at Biopath Holdings. From a first glance, this is an awful stock. It's on the LTC market, I get it, but it's so awful, it's crazy. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentor scout, thousands of preparations up on my YouTube channel for free. Regarding a BPTH, man, it just... yeah, awful. Not a big fan at all. The likelihood, I mean, in a span of freaking a day, it came down 33%. The day prior, it was 66% down. It's crazy. It's crazy. What's the likelihood that this thing keeps going down? Actually, if you ask me, quite high, unless there's like a big catalyst. But again, this is on the OTC market, so potentially might be getting delisted from the OTC as well. Who knows? But it's still quite bearish for me. Not a big fan, will stay far, far away myself. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.